Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss the example for vector. Find the vector equation of the plane containing the line. So here we have the equation of the plane where we have r dot n is equals to a dot n. So the question mentions that here we have the plane. And we will have the line 1 and the line 2. So in order to find the situation, first what we have to do is to express the line 1 and the line 2 in the vector equation. So let's say we have L1, which is R1 is equals to 1, 2 and negative 1, plus T1 with the direction 3, 1 and 1. So here we have the situation for L1. Next, kindly express the L2 in a vector equation. So given the situation is a Cartesian equation. So T is equals to x minus 2 over negative 2. Next, T is equals to y minus 1. Next, T is equals to z minus 1 over 3. So rearrange the situation where we will have x is equals to 2 minus with 2t. Next, y is equals to 1 plus with the t. Next, z is equals to 1 plus with 3t. So rearrange the situation and express the situation in a vector equation. So R2 is equals to 2, 1 and 1 plus with the T2 bracket, we have the direction negative 2, 1 and 3. Next, kindly refers to the diagram where we have to use L1 cross L2 in order to find the normal. So where we will have the vector for L1 cross with the vector for L2. So here we have I, J and K. Kindly substitute the situation, which means that the direction for the L1 and also the direction for the L2, where we have 3, 1 and 1, followed by negative 2, 1 and 3. Kindly cross the situation, close up the I, and we will have J cross with the K, where we have 3 minus with the 1. Next, kindly close up the J, and we will have I cross with the K, where we have 9 minus with the negative 2, so we will have positive 2. Next, close up the K, I cross with the J, so where we have 3 minus, we have the negative 2, so plus 2. So V1 cross with the V2, and we will have a vector which is called a normal, 2i minus 11j plus with the 5k, where we have the normal. Next, substitute the normal into this part. So, the vector equation of the plane containing the line, where we have r dot with the normal, 2, negative 11 and 5, equals to where we have the a. My suggestion is to pick the point from the R1, where we have 1, 2, negative 1, dot with the situation 2, negative 11 and 5. So here we have the vector equation. Then kindly dot the situation on the right hand side. So R dot with the normal 2, negative 11 and 5 equals to 2 minus 22 minus 5. So R dot with the normal is equals to negative 25. So here we have the vector equation of the plane containing the lines. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss the example for vector. Point A, where we have the coordinate 2, 0, negative 1. Point B with the coordinate 1, 3 and 1. And point C with the coordinate negative 1, negative 2 and 2 are the points on a plane pi 1. Another plane, pi 2, is parallel to the plane pi 1. D with the coordinate 4, 3, negative 2 is a point that lies on the plane 2. Find the equation of the plane 1 and plane 2. Express your answer in the form of r dot n equals to d. So, the equation for the plane r dot n is equals to a dot n. So, kindly illustrate the situation in a plane, where we have the point A, B, and C. In order to find the equation of the plane, what we have to do is to find the normal. So before we have the normal, kindly find the vector for AB and AC. So the vector AB is equals to OB minus OA. Substitute the situation where we have 1, 3, 1 minus with the OA 2, 0, negative 1. So the vector AB is equals to negative 1, 3, and 2. For the vector AC, where we have OC minus OA. So kindly substitute the situation, negative 1, negative 2, and 2 minus with the OA, where we have 2, 0, negative 1. The vector AC is equals to negative 3, negative 2, and 3. Next is to find the normal, where we have to cross the situation AB cross with the AC in order to find the normal. So kindly substitute the situation where we have negative 1, 3, and 2 followed by negative 3, negative 2, and 3. Next, close up the I, J cross with the K. So here we will have 9 minus, we have negative 4, so we will have positive 4. Close up the J, I cross with the K. So we will have negative 3 minus negative 6, where we will have positive 6. Next, close up the K, I cross with the J, where we have 2 minus, where we have negative 9, so we will have positive 9. So AB cross with the AC, and the normal will be 13I minus 3J plus 11K. So here we have the normal for the plane 1. Kindly substitute the situation. R dot with the N, where we have 13, negative 3, and 11 equals to point A. Kindly substitute the point A, where we have 2, 0, negative 1. Dot with the situation normal. Kindly focus on the right hand side, where we have R dot with the N equals to 26 minus 11. So R dot with the situation 13, negative 3, and 11 equals to 15. So here we have the plane for pi 1. Next is to find the plane 1, where we have the situation. The plane 2 is parallel to the plane 1, means that they are having the same normal. So kindly substitute the situation, where we have R dot with the N, 13, negative 3, and 11 equals to A is the point. So kindly refers to this part where we have the D is a point lies on the plane 2. So substitute 4, 3, and negative 2 dot with 13, negative 3, 11. So R dot with the N equals to, we have 52 minus with the 9 minus with 22. Simplify the situation. R dot with the N is equals to 21. So here we have the equation of plane pi 2. Next, find the angle between the straight line where we have R is equals to 1, 2, negative 4 plus lambda with the direction 2, negative 1, and 1 and the plane 2. So here we have the direction. So given the situation, so kindly refers to the diagram. Here we have the plane 1 and the line R with the direction 2, negative 1, and 1. Referring to the plane 1, we also have the direction, which is the normal, with the direction where we have 13, negative 3, and 11. So here with the normal for plane 1. And here we have the direction for the line. So kindly make use of the scalar product, where we have 2, negative 1, 1 dot with the situation 13, negative 3, 11 equals to the magnitude for the direction 1, where we have 4 plus with the 1 plus with the 1 multiply with 13 square plus with 9 plus with the 11 square cos theta. focus on the left hand side where we have 26 plus with the 3 plus with the 11 is equals to square root of 6 multiply with the square root of 299 cos theta. So rearrange the situation. So here we will have cos theta is equals to 40 over square root of 6 multiply square root of 299. So in here, cos theta is equals to 0.9444. So theta will be equals to 19.2 degree. So means that here we have the theta. So in order to find the angle between the line and the plane, so here will be our focus. So mainly name it as A. So here we will have the theta as well. So kindly focus on the situation where we have 180 degree minus with the 90 degree minus with 19.2 degree, and we will have the angle for A. So the angle for A, or we can say the angle between the line and the plane, is equals to 70.8 degree. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you think the video is useful, kindly consider to like, comment, share and subscribe.